Okay, guys, so I just woke up to some strange, scary noises, and I feel like Timothy's here again. I literally just encountered him like last year and all that. He can't be back though, no matter what. This is kind of creeping me out. All right, but anyway, let's go. This is really gonna creep me out. What was that? Hear a noise. What the heck is all this? Crap. I think Timothy's in the garage. Timothy? Okay, guys, I'm gonna knock. Timothy? Hello? Okay, guys, I'm gonna knock. This is the worst idea I've ever done. Please never try this ever. Ever! I am the professional idiot of this house. If you guys want to know how you can help me defeat Timothy, subscribe, like and subscribe for more content, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna put the light right here. I'm gonna knock. I'm gonna put this light here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this light here. I'm gonna put the light. I'm gonna put the light. I'm gonna put the light right. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. Did you guys just hear that? Okay. There's no way that was a real sound. It was probably ricochet. Okay, we're gonna try again. Okay, we're gonna try again. Oh my god, okay, there's something in there, and I think it's Timothy. Should I open the door? Snap out of it, Gabriel. You're not scared of anything. Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and open the door. Oh my god, what if I... Oh my god, what if I open the door? Timothy's right there. Here goes nothing. Oh, I just turned my light off. Oops. Oh my gosh, is the door locked? Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Hello? Timothy? Are you in here? If you are, I just don't want to hurt you. I just want to know that you are real. Huh, he's not in there. Alright, well... Okay then. Let's just open the door more and... Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, was that Timothy? It looked like him. Oh my god. That sounded like him. Oh my god, was that him? That was actually him. Timothy does have a dark side after all. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here, guys. I just try to open the garage door and I'll escape. time to unlock the garage door. Okay. What's that?
You can run, but you can't hide!
I gotta get out of here, guys. Oh, crap.
I am not going without taking sword with me!
Guys, he's got me. Timothy, go away.
Still hasn't understood about me and why I did the unthinkable.
Oh my God. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so I managed to escape Timothy. It's time to go to bed now. If you guys ever see him, stay in your room, lock the door. Y'all need to help me try and figure out a way I can defeat Timothy. Because I can't defeat him all on my own. If you have any requests, like and subscribe to my channel. And turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. Be careful if you ever spot Timothy, or otherwise something like this will happen. Alright guys, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. And I should be able to defeat Timothy soon. So, I will see you all later. Goodbye, and good night.